So I'm going for a little drive, and they do come from a small little fishing town, and this is what some of our docks look like. This is the one in Glace Bay. It's so pretty down here. There's a lot of cats down here. They seem to love to come live at where the fish are, right? Why wouldn't they? The roads are pretty potholey though, but then again, it's still winter time. Nice boat there. This is the fish factory. Of course, there'd be a fish factory in all this mess. So now we're just going to show how close we were to the ocean. So we're going to Fisherman's Park. Such a pretty view from here. Yeah, there's another cat. Probably see a bunch of them here. Now tell me that's not beautiful.
Yeah.
And that's the Atlantic Ocean. Wonder what the birds are enjoying over there. Usually when they're all together like that, they're usually there for a reason.
Yes.
So there's the pretty island. As far as the eye could see, you could see water.